Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Classic Mini Maintenance and Repairs. So this is a follow-up video to the oil pressure gauge and the hose that I've been working on. Now, I'm supposed to have two of these little red paper gaskets, but I've either lost one or they just never sent it out. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of gasket paper. This is gasket paper. You can buy it on eBay, Amazon, some auto shops. It comes in A4 sheets. It's pretty cheap really. I think it's £5 for maybe 5 sheets. What it is really is just a kind of cardboardy type paper. It is the best stuff to use, but you can use a cornflakes box if you get stuck. I have used cornflakes boxes in the past for motorcycle side casings, a lawnmower oil sump at one point as well. So you can use the cornflake box. It's an old school quick fix, but you can buy gasket paper now, so why not? So what I'm going to do is take my adapter here. I need a bit of wood to do this because, as you can see, I've done a wee test bit there, and it works like a hole punch. You put it down, hammer on top, punches a wee hole, and then you cut round with the scissors, and that's you got your washer. So I'll show you how it's done. It's quite simple. Get your gasket paper down, take the bit that you want to create, put it on top, take your hammer, and then with one swift pop, it should go right straight through into the wood and give you a wee hole. So here we go, just like that, and there you go, it's went straight through. And just, there you go, perfect. And then the second part you want to do is take a little bit of oil and then just put it round. We'll put it on your finger first, not a lot, just a wee tiny bit. Put that around the edge like so. And then you take your gasket and that should leave a mark of where you need to cut, just like so. You take your scissors, cut round it, and that should be a perfect fitting gasket. And just be careful, try and get it nice and round. Okay, that looks good enough. And just check, see if it fits. Okay, might do a bit of trimming there, but you get the idea. And you can do this with side casings and such. It's the same idea. You get your side casing, and you just rub some oil around the side casing, and then where the dowels go, tap down with a hammer, and it will leave an imprint of the oil on the paper. And you just cut it out. You can use a craft knife or something, and that's how you do it. Okay, I'll get this in the car now.